I've been waiting all night.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. You guys know that when I come at you like this, you know what time it is. Okay, it is time for another hair review, and this one I'm super duper excited about because this should be the first hair review I'm doing since I gave birth. So obviously it feels different. Okay, it feels different. But anywho, I have my wig cap on and ready to go. Let's get to speaking about where today's hair is from. The wig I'm going to be reviewing in this video is from West Kids Hair. Yep. And this is basically how it came packaged. It came packaged like this in this red dust bag, and to be quite honest, I think I actually prefer this packaging to like when wigs come packaged in boxes, because when you unbox your wig, most times you store your wig back in this kind of dust bags, and then those boxes end up being a waste. But yeah, I feel like this is a lot more realistic when it comes to packaging wigs. And yeah, anyway, let's open this up and let's see what we have got in here. First things first, obviously, is the wig, and like you know, in my hair reviews, we're going to skip this for now and then look at the other things that came inside this bag. First off, obviously, we have a two-piece HD wig cap. Very important. Obviously, I already have one on my head right now. Next up, we have a hair bonnet. They actually gave us a hair bonnet, which is good. But yeah, this is what the hair bonnet is looking like. Next up is this frontal edge band with the brand name West Kiss on it. This is what you typically would use to lay down your frontal. Okay, we have 3D eyelashes, and we have this thing here that I don't know what it is. Like, if you know, please let me know in the comment section down below. But this is basically a pack of some stuff. I don't know what this is, but yeah, that's basically all that we have in this bag. Let us get into the wig proper. All right, so let us open this up. Very nicely packaged as always, and once again, I can already see some very nice bouncy coils waiting for me. Gosh, I love opening new wigs. I love it. Oh wow, guys. So this is a 22-inch glueless body wave wig from West Kiss Hair, which means that, guys, today is not the day to lay this down with glue and all of that. This is just a nice glueless. It's going to be a glueless frontal installation, which means that, you know, I'm not going to have to like lay down with any spray or any glue or anything like that. That's amazing. I don't think I've actually tried like a proper glueless wig before. This will be my first time. And this lovely gorgeousness, ooh, this beauty here is pre-plucked, is pre-bleached, it is pre-cut, like, which means I don't have to start cutting anything. Everything has been cut in this nice zigzag motion. As you can see, it has been pre-bleached, it has been pre-cut, it has been pre-plucked. So this is basically a wear and go, and I'm loving it. It already came pre-coiled, so I'm not even going to be using my coiling iron or anything like that. You can already see it came pre-coiled. So this is just me going to brush this, place this on my head, and just see what it looks like. Also, it came with this nice strap to keep your wig down in place, and it also came with some combs inside also to secure your wig inside so that it does not fall off, right?
For so long, I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your...
Okay guys, so basically this is the hair straight out of the box. You guys saw me remove my wig cap earlier because I just didn't like how the color of the wig cap was looking under this particular wig. This wig doesn't even need much. Like, I literally had to place this back on my head without a wig cap, and I got the natural look I was looking for. Guys, this is a glueless wig. Like, I am just shook at how natural this is looking. Like, look at this, you guys. Look, there's literally no glue. Look at that. Like, this is sorcery. You can't tell me nothing. This is absolute sorcery. This is absolute sorcery, because why is it so neat? Like, why? Look. Nah, mate, this is crazy. Like, I don't even have to do much to this wig, and it's so exciting. All I'm going to do now is just to flatten the top with my hot comb a little tiny bit, and I'm going to just put some leave-in conditioner on the coils and just see what it looks like when I'm done, because wow, like, I'm good to go, you guys. I am so good to go. This is crazy.
Baby, if we talk for a minute,
Like, if I were to come at you like this, you wouldn't even know. But look at that. Like, can you guys see that? Wow. So I'm just going to apply my leave-in conditioner real quick. This one is the Hawaiian Silky Miracle Worker 14-in-1. My favorite leave-in conditioner. I love this stuff.
And I really need to know, babe. Can we just open?
Oh my goodness.
If you feel the things I do.
Let me just say very quickly that this hair is so soft. Like, the texture is so soft. The coils are so bouncy. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is where like the coils are getting to right here. But they're so bouncy, so nice. I'm going to try and run my comb, my wide tooth comb through it, just so you see how, like, look at that. So beautiful. I don't want to really comb out the coils, to be honest. I want to just, like, you know, flip my coils. You guys know how I love to flip my coils, right? I love flipping my coils like this. Like, look at that. Oh, beautiful.
I might need some help.
You guys, I am obsessed. Like, that's basically all I have to do. I don't even think I need to start matching. Like, the lace matches very well with my skin. I'm just gonna go in with my makeup brush that I use for my foundation and my powder, just to like blend it in. But it doesn't even need to be blended. Like, it already looks so good, you guys. Look at that. Look at that. Like, look at that, guys. How natural does this look? It's crazy. It looks completely like I used glue and I used a spray and all of that, but I did nothing of the sort. You guys, I honestly wish every wig could come looking like this, where I just have to wear it and go without doing too much, because this is stunning. This is absolutely beautiful. I love this so much. West Kiss hair, una do this one. West Kiss hair, I love it. Look at that, guys. I think I have to move back so you guys can see the beauty that is this hair. Yeah, so you guys have an idea of what this looks like. Ooh.
Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me.
You guys, trust me when I tell you, you see this one is a must-have. Like, I am so glad I have this in my stash, because this is stunning. Once again, this beauty is from West Kiss Hair. It is their 22 inches a glueless body wave wig, and it's amazing, guys. Go get yours. Everything you need will be in the description down below, so don't forget to check it out. Okay. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.
But if you don't even wanna try, I need to know.